Hi, I am Jennifer Cole, and I am part of the team that worked on the comic book planner API. Um, I am going to show you that the routes are protected. So if you come in here and put API, try to get to the documentation, it comes back here and says you can't get in. And then this will log you in through the OAuth. And here are all the routes. And there's also the logout button up here. So
Hi, my name is Rebecca, and I will be testing the routes, the character routes specifically. So I'm already logged in on Swagger, and I will execute just to test this out. And yeah, I also have the JSON file on my side just to make sure that changes are being reflected. So that was the get route. Now onto, I'm gonna change this into another um another one just to test that one. Okay. So that one is supposed yeah, just execute it. It's giving us a 201 response. So that one worked. Now we're gonna get characters by ID. Gonna use the same ID as before. And it is creating a 200 response, which is working as well. I'm gonna try to make some edits to that route in the next one on put. Um, so see if that does the change. So yeah, it did. I'm gonna make sure if that was done, if that was changed here on this side for Marcus Stone. Oh, there it is. So that worked out. And then I'm gonna delete this character because I don't need him anymore. Character has been deleted successfully. Now we're gonna try and see if that worked. Okay, so yeah, ID ends in AF, sorry, FA, F9 is not longer in the JSON file, which means that that test or the route also worked. Yeah.
And then my name is Ethan Segmiller. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and demonstrate the test suite that we built for this app. So over here on the left, I created a separate folder for tests specifically. We've got a couple of different folders here. Controller tests, this is the folder that controls the testing for our actual controllers. So the logic behind the different endpoints that we created. Got a folder for testing the routes, so testing the actual endpoints themselves. And then I also created some tests right here under validation tests. This tests the validation logic that we wrote. And then of course a separate server test file here to test the server itself, make sure it's starting up correctly. So if I run npm test, it's tied to that script and it's going to run that entire folder of tests that we wrote. So of course here we see that these have all passed. So we can see that our, at least on the back end, everything is working properly. But yeah, that is the testing.